Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, my 7th class YouTube students. Dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 1 of Countdown, that is Operation on Sets. We will discuss some important concepts today, and afterwards we are going to solve its exercise as well. The first and the most important concept is what is a set. Actually, a set is a group or collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Distinct means no repetition in any element of a set. And a well-defined object means the objects or a member of the sets are totally well-defined. It means that there is no ambiguity or no doubt in any element of the set that either it belongs to a set or not belong to. For example, if we are saying that set of vowels of English alphabets, so the set of vowels of English alphabets will be A, E, I, O, U. Here it is clearly defined that we have to write down set of vowels of English alphabets. So the members will be A, E, I, O, U. But if we are saying that write down a set of interesting books, so this set is not well defined. Why? Because everybody has its own interest. So no standard is defined over there. So this set is not well defined set. So this is not a set because it is not well defined. Furthermore, you have to write down set within the curly braces. All the elements of the set are written within curly braces. This set is denoted by capital letters, and we have to write all the objects which are called members of the set within these curly braces. For example, 1, 2 and 3. So each member belongs to this set A, like 1 belongs to set A, 2 belongs to set A, 3 belongs to set A, and 4 does not belong to set A as it is not the member of this set. For example, if we are writing first 5 natural numbers, so the set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is the member of set B, so it belongs to set B. 2 also belongs to set B. 3, 4 and 5 also belong to set B. But here 6 is not the member of set B, so it does not belong to set B. 7 is also not the member of set B, so 7 does not belong to B, and so on. Some important sets are denoted by N for natural numbers, and this set is having elements 1, 2, 3 up to so on. W is for whole numbers, and the whole number starts from 0 and it carries the elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Z for integers, and it is having elements 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and up to so on. Or we can write it like that: 0, 1, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on. O for odd numbers, and it carries all the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. E for even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. And P is for prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers who are having just 2 factors, 1 and itself. Or we can say that these numbers are not divisible by any number except 1 and itself. Next one is Q. Q is a set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which are written in P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0 and these both P and Q belongs to set of integers. For example, 2 upon 3. This 2 upon 3 is a rational number. Another one, Q dash, is a set of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. And the last one is the real number. Real number are the numbers which are obtained by combining rational as well as irrational number. Real line carries all the numbers, either it is rational, irrational, even, odd, integers, negative, positives, 2 upon 3, 0.2. Every type of number belongs to set of real numbers, means R. Now notation of a set. A set is always denoted by capital letter and all the elements or members of the set are written within these braces. And these members are separated by commas. And these curly braces are called set of brackets or braces. Set of brackets or braces. And here you can see that there are 3 dots. These 3 dots are called ellipses. It means goes on or continues on. Now elements of a set or cardinal number. Cardinal number is actually the number of elements of a set and it is denoted by n of a. For example, if we are saying a is a set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. So a will be, it is between 1 and 10, so 1 and 10 will not be included over there. So 3, 5, 7 and 9 is a set of odd numbers between 1 and 10. 3, 5, 7 and 9 all belongs to set A. So its cardinal number will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can note this down. Cardinal number of infinite set is not defined as we cannot count the number of elements of infinite sets. So its cardinal number is not defined over there. Cardinal number of empty set is 0 because there is no element in the empty set. Next is how we are going to represent a set. A set can be represented in 3 forms. Number 1 is the descriptive form. Descriptive form is state in words. If we are saying something in words, for example, the first 5 natural numbers, set of positive even numbers, set of odd numbers, set of numbers greater than 30 and smaller than 45, set of all vowels of English alphabets. We are describing these all sets. So it means that these all sets are in descriptive form. And the next one is tabular form or roster form. If we are listing down all the elements of the set separated by commas and enclosed within curly braces, this form of a set is called tabular form or roster form. For example, if we are saying that set of first 5 natural numbers, if we are listing it down in this way, so this is called tabular or roster form. B is the set of even numbers from 2 to 50. Now third one is set builder form, or we can say it as rule builder form. In this set builder form, all elements having common property which are not contained by any other element outside that set is shown by a set builder form. It is just the extension of the descriptive form. Let's understand this with an example. This set builder form is having 2 parts. One is belonging part, the other one is the range part. In this belonging part, we have to let a variable x, whereas that variable belong to any set. And here in the range part, we have to define its range. Either it is less than 6, greater than 6, or equal to 6, or number varies from 1 to 6. And this sign means whereas x belongs to the natural numbers and x is less than 6. This sign is less than, this sign is greater than, and this sign is less than and equal to. This sign is greater than and equal to, and this sign is equal to sign. Whereas, this is straight line is whereas. As you know, this sign is belong to, and this sign means less than. And instead of this and, we can write this. This will read as x, whereas x belongs to n, means natural numbers, and, or we can use this sign instead of this and, x is less than 6. Curly braces close. Or this statement can be written as x such that these two column means such that. Instead of this two columns, we can use this as well. X such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than and equal to 5. These both A sets have same meanings. You can see that here x is less than 6. It contains all the natural numbers which are less than 6. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is less than 6. So 6 will not be included there. If the sign is like that, so it means that 6 is also included over there. But here the sign is just less than, so it includes all the number less than 6. Here you can see that A is a set of natural numbers less than and equal to 5. So 5 is also included there. These both two sets are same. It can be written as x is less than 6 or it can be written as x is less than equal to 5. We can also write that range part as 1 is less than equal to x less than equal to 5. So 1 varies from 1 to 5. So this can be written as A x, whereas x belongs to natural numbers and 1 is less than equal to x less than equal to 5. So it means that x starts from 1 and ends at 5. So it can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this is tabular form and this is set builder form. We can write A in descriptive form as all natural numbers less than 6 or all natural numbers less than equal to 5. Another example is B is equal to x such that x belongs to even numbers and 0 less than x less than equal to 5. It means we have to write down all even numbers that starts from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on to 50. Here you have seen that we have not written 0 over there. Why? Because that sign is just less than sign. If it is equal to sign as well, so we have to write down and starts from 0. But that sign is just less than sign, so it means 0 is not included. It starts from the next one even number, that is 2, because 1 is not even, so we can't write 1 in B set. So that's why we have skipped 0 because 0 is not included over there. So very next even number after 0 is 2. So we have started from 2. Now let's discuss the comparison between different forms of set. First is descriptive form, the second one is tabular form, and the third one is set builder form. Let's take an example of descriptive form, the set of all vowels in English alphabets. In tabular form, it is written as A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. We have to list it down in tabular form. In set builder form, we have to write it like that, X, whereas X is a vowel in the English alphabet. And the second example is set of first 5 whole numbers. So in the tabular form, we have to list down that whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you know that whole number starts from 0, the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. First 5 whole numbers we have written, and in the set builder form there are 2 parts. one is the belonging part and the other one is the range part. So x, whereas x belongs to whole numbers, because these all are whole numbers, so x belongs to whole number, and x is less than 5. So all numbers, you can see that all these whole numbers are less than 5. Or we can also write it like that, b is equal to x, whereas x belongs to w, and 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 4. So this starts from 0 and ends at 4. Here in the range part we have written the initial and the last one, or it can be written as 0 less than equal to x less than 5, because all these numbers are less than 5 and starts from 0. We can write this as well.